Most people use AI to make funny memes or useless videos, but I use it to print money. Do you see this right here? These are multiple companies offering $1,000 or more for ad creatives that are made with AI. If you do 10 of these a month, that's $10,000 as additional income that could be either your side hustle or replace your full-time job. And although it's still hard work, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to create all of these shots in the next few minutes with one simple workflow. I'll show you how to create product shots, lifestyle images, and even video ads with voiceover. The outcome looks so professional that no one would even be able to tell that it's AI generated. And here's why this is working right now and why it's still an untapped opportunity. Brands need consistent, fresh ad creatives for Meta, TikTok, and YouTube. And currently, professional designers cost about $300 to $500 per creative. So here's what we're doing. I'm setting a timer for 17 minutes and we'll create multiple ad creatives worth $1,000. And I'll show you a few tips on how to up the quality of your ads. I'll walk you through every step of my exact workflow so that you can replicate this and start charging clients today. And then I'll show you exactly how to package this, where to find clients, and how to land your first $1,000 project this week. Before we go into the specifics, here is the outline of what we're going to do. We will take a generic link of a website and this pixelated screenshot of a product, and we will turn them into high quality, realistic looking art creatives that convert and drive more sales. I've created this prompt pack and a custom GPT, and these are the steps that we will follow. We'll first come up with an idea of what we want to create. This could either come from a website, a brand, a mood board, a product image, or creative brief. Then we will do some research and analyze the brand identity to come up with an audience definition of whom we want to create these ad creatives for. Then we will create a simple creative strategy, create some prompts that we can feed into an AI image tool such as Artlist, where we can custom set what kind of AI image or AI video generator that we want to use. And then we will have some final outputs. I'll even show you how to create videos out of your initial images, and all of this in just a few minutes. All right, let's first find our first example customer and then start a timer to create a bunch of ad creatives that look epic. Let's go. To find potential projects, go to Upwork or Fiverr or any freelancer website that you prefer. Search for something simple like graphics design for ads and AI, and then look for a few of the job posts. As we can see here, there's a bunch of job posts that were posted yesterday that have a budget of $600, $3,000, $1,000, $500, and all of these could be served with our custom framework. Let's click on this one, for example. This has an estimated budget of $1,000, and they are looking for an AI image specialist needed. Ultra realistic ad creatives. Down here, we see the summary of the work that they're looking for, and they say that they're looking for create visuals optimized for ads and e-commerce. And they even give examples of what kind of shots they're looking for. We can check out one of these links, and it looks like they're looking for Ruby bags. Let's click on this website here. These are pretty cool, and I know pretty much nothing about handbags, but I do know that with our specific workflow, we can create some awesome ad creatives for this. The first thing we need to do is we need to do research, audience definition in order to come up with a prompt generation. I've added some prompts that you can download for free down below that help you with all of these specific steps. However, you can also get my custom GPT link below that helps you with all of this. I'm gonna move this to the left side and this to the right in order to start creating some shots. Let's start the timer and see if we can come up with 10 different ad creatives to send to this brand for free to apply for this gig. Let's start the timer now. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we'll click on the website and click on Analyze the target demographics for this website. And I'm gonna click the mode to auto. Hit enter. While this is thinking, I'm gonna look for a handbag that I want to take an image of. I like this one a lot. So let's click on this, zoom in a little bit, and take a screenshot of this. Let's also save this for later. Add this here, and we will do one more image. This one looks really cool as well. It has some great shots in light blue. Let's take a screenshot of this as well. And let's paste this link in here as well. Now, while this is giving me the analysis, let's simply say, I want to create multiple campaign shots for the following two handbags. See images attached as well as the links to those product listings. Please come up with 10 different and unique prompts for showcasing these two handbags and tell me in which shot to upload which reference image. Some of the creatives should have text in them and some of them should be standalone without text. These should be optimized for meta ads. All right, it just finished the research and it gave me the potential buyer for this. Here's the primary target audience with a specific personality to them. It also has secondary segments and occasional buyers. Now I give it a simple prompt. So based on this, I wanted to create multiple campaign shots. I'm asking it for 10 different ones, and I'm attaching the two links as well as the two images. And I'll simply instruct my AI in order to start generating these. Now that it's generating all of the specific prompts, we can simply use an AI image generator in order to create these ad creatives. And before we do this, let's pause the timer. There's so many AI image and video generators out there that it's hard to choose. And because of this, I'm actually using an aggregator instead of using one specific one. I'm using a tool called Artlist that has multiple AI image and AI video models that you can choose from with one subscription. The pricing is super fair, and with their new AI toolkit, they don't only allow you to create images with the latest AI models out there, but also videos with the best AI video models currently available, and they even let you create voiceovers for your tracks, either from a script or by changing your own speech. This makes it super easy to try different AI models on different prompts, because some AI models are better on humans versus products or creativity. So let me show you exactly that in action, and for that, let's continue the timer. All right, let's first sign in and go over to the AI toolkit. Click on the video and image tag and select generate image. The first few images we'll create with Nano Banana Pro as well as ChatGPT Image 1.5 because these are two of the best image models out there, but we will also try Artlist Original 1.0 and Flux Flash. I'm gonna move this in over here, and here are my 10 prompts. I'm simply clicking on this, going back over here and pasting that exact prompt. And we will upload the reference image. This prompt looks good, but I don't really have time to read it right now. So let's trust that this is the right prompt. For the resolution, I'm selecting 2K, and for the image, I'm gonna select 2 images. When you hover over the send, this shows you how many credits this requires, and this takes 800 credits for 2 images, but I have plenty of credits left in this account. This shows here that we should use a 4x5 or 1x1 prompt, and we can select that aspect ratio right here. Let's go with 3x4 and hit generate. As this is generating, you can also select a different AI image model, for example, GPT Image 1.5, and select generate. We can also compare this with Artlist Original, and this one only takes 300 credits for 2 images. And we can compare it to Flux 2.0. And within seconds, we have multiple images to choose from. Check this out. It seems like something went wrong with the prompt with the ChatGPT image. This can happen if you prompted something that ChatGPT is not comfortable creating. But here are the shots that we just generated. This here is with Flux 2.0 Pro. Looks awesome, showcases the bag really well. This is also with Flux 2.0. This is done with Nano Banana Pro. Same with this one. These both look awesome. And then these 2 shots here we're taking with the Artlist Original 1.0 model. And these 2 are with Nano Banana Pro. This looks super realistic, and I would not be able to tell that this is AI generated. This is also a great shot. Don't click away because this is super basic. Let me first show you the 10 other prompts and results of those prompts that our Custom GPT came up with, and then how you can turn these into videos as well as adding voiceover over your assets all within this platform. And since this might bore you, I'll just show you some of the cuts of me generating these images. If you want to see the uncut version of that, let me know down in the comments, and in the next video, I'll give you the full uncut video. In order to work faster, I'm gonna put these side by side. I'm first gonna go with all of the ones that are blue first. So in this case, it's this one. All right, Nano Banana Pro, 2 shots. Now let's create some images of the other handbag. And for this one, we will even have on-image text in order to add this to Instagram. So for this, we will use a 1x1 aspect ratio, and we will upload the other image this time. And let's now try different AI image generator prompts again to see how they are with text generation. GPT 1.5 image and Nano Banana Pro and Flux 2.0 Pro. Let's create a few more of the black and white purse, and then let's analyze all of the images. And let's see if we can even create an ad with both of these handbags in the same shot. And this is the last prompt that you can see right here. Let's simply copy this, post it right there, and add both of the images. And click on generate. And if we want a shot with 2 models and text, simply ask the Custom GPT to do that. I give it this instruction, and it gives me this particular prompt to include. And let's try that with all 3 image models as well. And stop the timer. We created at least 20 to 30 images, so we created way more than 10 different assets. Now it's our time to choose which one of those is the best and to share them with the application in order to land that client. And here are all of the images that we generated. We started off super strong with some really candid shots. These both showcase the bag really well, and I think these are already awesome and ready to use. Here we have some other shots from other tools. That one in particular uses Artlist Original 1.0 AI image model. This one here uses Flux 2.0 image model, and these are also great shots. We were able to showcase different text on screen and different lighting situations and different fields for images. This is such a great shot. I love this. We even showcased how to create a standalone still that could easily be used to replace the original product shot image on the website. And we were able to showcase that we can add text and do really cool shots with close attention to detail. Check out the linen of the shirt as well as the imprint in the fabric with the bag right here. We're able to do cool dramatic shots, different taglines. We were able to show 2 images in one shot. and even showed 2 models with 2 handbags. For example, these 2 women wearing 2 different handbags with text on the screen, looking super realistic. Now, I love that I was able to do this in just a few minutes. And all I have to do now is go to my favorite images, download them, and go back over here, click on Apply Now, and we can now simply apply to this job. If we want to, we can also use our Custom GPT to write a job application. So we could simply tell this prompt generator, write a job application as AI marketing manager at AI creative for the following job description, and copy the job details in there right here. And then it will generate something that you can insert into the cover letter. So you simply click on the job posting, we'll simply paste the job description right here, click on Apply Now, description I say I can deliver this tomorrow, and then their budget for this was $1,000. So let's say $4,000. And then I simply type this in here. And then I'm gonna click on Attach Files, and we will attach some of the best shots that we created, and simply click on Submit Proposal. And before you click away, let me show you 2 more cool features that you can use in order to stand out and create exceptional work that are now possible with Artlist AI Toolkit feature. And this is where you can now go back and you can give it a prompt like this one in order to generate not only images, but also videos. So give it this particular prompt, and it came back with an AI image prompt as well as an AI video prompt. So what you can simply do, go back to Artlist, and we'll just create an image of the blue bag. Let's use Nano Banana Pro, and let's generate 2 images to see which one is best. Do this in vertical format and click enter. And here are the 2 shots. I think this looks super natural. She's posing well with the bag. And this one is also great. So let's go with this one. And this time we can simply click on generate video with this. Now this is using the generate video tool, and we can select something like VO 3.1 fast and give it the prompt of the video prompt. So in this case, here are the instructions and here are the spoken lines. And let's generate 8 seconds of this. Let's hit generate, and we can do the same with another tool such as Sora. Let's click on Sora 2 Pro, 1080, vertical, and send this up. Or we could use something like Kling, which takes less credits. But this one does not have audio, so let's see how this turns out. And for Sora, we got the message that the prompt image didn't meet Sora's guidelines, and that's because there is a person in that shot. So if we don't want to have that person be included, we can simply replace that with just the bag. So we simply upload the image of the handbag this time and slightly alter the prompt in order to generate this video. We can also use this image as reference image. So simply click on video, and we can use the same prompt for that. Let's go and use VO 3.1 fast this time because this one is cheaper. And while this is generating these, let me also show you how you can create voiceovers for entire ad scripts if you don't like any of the out-of-the-box voices from the AI video generators. To do that, let's copy what the voiceover tagline is that we want to generate and click on voiceover in the AI toolkit. You can select from a bunch of voices that are right here. For example, check this out.
Welcome to your first day, team member 7493G.
Or this one.
Not many people know about one of the strangest moments.
Or you can explore all kinds of voices. For example, we want a female voice that is a young adult, and we can even select a category, but let's leave this one blank for now, and we can simply listen through these and see which one we like.
Tell your story exactly how you imagine it.
I like that one. Let's select this one and simply type in the text and hit generate. And this is what we came up with.
I didn't think I'd use this every day, but I do, and I love it.
That is a great voiceover. Now let's check out the videos. Here is the first video.
I didn't think I'd use this every day, but I do, and I love it.
That is great. It uses exactly the image, the model, and the bag, and she sounds very natural. The only point where she looks a little bit artificial is right here, but we could cut the video before that. Now here's the second video we generated, this time with Kling. And she's posing with the bag, but it does not have a voiceover. So this is where we can go over to our voiceover, and we can
I didn't think I'd use this every day.
And we can overlay this audio file on the video if we want to. Here's the one generated by Sora.
I didn't think I'd use this every day, but I do, and I love it.
That's a really cool shot. I like it. Her lips aren't moving, but this could be seen as a general voiceover. And I think for that, it would work really well. And here's our last one with the other model from the other perspective.
I didn't think I'd use this every day, but I do, and I love it.
Once again, the beginning is awesome. I think it starts to look a little bit artificial right around the 7-second mark when she turns around and the music kicks in. But all the way up to here, this looks really good.
And I love it.
her expressions and everything. I think this is a really good video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments and if this video has been helpful. All of the resources are linked below, and if you stayed around until now, I would really appreciate a like if you liked the video. If you didn't, then don't like the video. And if you want to see more videos on how to use AI to make money or be more productive, I got plenty more videos that I'm working on right now, so subscribe to the channel to be the first to check them out. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you Artlist for giving me access to Artlist and sponsoring this video. If you subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.